Hey everyone, welcome back to Phoenix Digital Portal. Here is a statistic that should completely change how you approach your job search. Roughly 80% of jobs are filled through networking and connections rather than through cold applications on a job board. Now think about how much time most people spend blindly submitting resumes into online application systems, hoping a robot picks their file out of a pile of 500 others. If you are trying to land a visa-sponsored job abroad, that approach is not just inefficient, it is one of the slowest possible paths to actually getting hired. LinkedIn, when used strategically, is one of the most powerful tools available to job seekers looking for international sponsorship, but almost nobody uses it correctly. Today, we are breaking down exactly how to optimize your LinkedIn presence, build genuine professional connections, and position yourself so that companies willing to sponsor visas actually notice you. Let us get into it. Why networking beats cold applications. Before we get into tactics, it is worth understanding why networking works so much better than cold applications, especially when visa sponsorship is involved. Sponsoring a foreign worker is expensive and administratively demanding for employers. It requires legal paperwork, government fees, and often proof that the role could not be filled locally. Because of that cost and complexity, employers are far more likely to go through that process for a candidate who comes recommended by someone they already trust, rather than an anonymous applicant they have never interacted with. A referral from a current employee, an alumni connection, or someone the hiring manager already knows and respects fundamentally changes how a candidate is perceived. It shifts you from being a risk on paper to being a known quantity worth investing in. This is precisely why building your network intentionally, rather than relying purely on applying to job postings, is the strategy that consistently produces faster results for candidates seeking sponsorship. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile for visa sponsorship. The first practical step is making sure your LinkedIn profile itself signals exactly what you are looking for. Your headline is the very first thing recruiters and hiring managers see, and it should clearly communicate both your professional identity and your openness to relocation. A headline like "Software Engineer, Open to Relocation and Visa Sponsorship" tells anyone scanning LinkedIn exactly what they need to know within a few seconds. Your About section should expand on this directly. State clearly that you are seeking opportunities that include visa sponsorship, mention the specific countries you are targeting if you have a preference, and highlight your relevant skills and experience in a way that speaks to what employers in that market are looking for. LinkedIn's Open to Work feature is another tool that is significantly underused. Within that feature, you can specifically select Open to Relocation and list the countries you are interested in. Recruiters searching LinkedIn for candidates frequently use this exact filter, so activating it increases your visibility to exactly the kind of hiring managers you want to reach. Your skills section should be tailored to reflect what is actually in demand in your target country's job market, and gathering endorsements and recommendations from previous employers or colleagues adds credibility that a resume alone cannot provide. If you have language skills relevant to your target country, list them prominently, since language proficiency is often a genuine differentiator in international hiring decisions. Searching strategically for visa sponsorship roles. Once your profile is optimized, the next step is searching intelligently rather than randomly. LinkedIn does not have a dedicated filter specifically for visa sponsorship, which means you need to build the right keyword combinations yourself. Searching for terms like visa sponsorship, relocation assistance, work permit, or international hiring alongside your specific job title dramatically narrows your results to roles that are far more likely to actually support sponsorship. There is also a clever technique that experienced job seekers use outside of LinkedIn's own search bar. Using Google's site search operator, you can search specifically within LinkedIn's job listings by typing site, linkedin.com/jobs/view/ followed by a phrase like "visa sponsorship available" in quotation marks, and then your target job title. This surfaces listings that explicitly mention sponsorship, cutting through a huge amount of noise that a standard LinkedIn search would return. Setting up job alerts for these specific keyword combinations means new postings come to you automatically rather than requiring you to search manually every day. And when you find companies with a track record of hiring internationally, follow their LinkedIn pages directly and turn on notifications so you know the moment they post something new. It is also worth checking job descriptions carefully rather than relying only on titles. Visa sponsorship information is frequently buried in the qualifications section or the company's frequently asked questions page rather than stated up front, so a thorough read is essential before ruling a role out or wasting time on one that does not actually offer sponsorship. Building genuine professional connections. Optimizing your profile and searching well gets you visibility, but real momentum comes from building actual relationships. Start by identifying professionals who are already working in your target country, ideally in your industry or even at companies you are interested in. Send a thoughtful, personalized connection request rather than a generic one. Reference something specific about their background or work, and be clear but not pushy about the fact that you are exploring opportunities in their market. Alumni networks are an especially powerful and underused resource here. If you attended a university with any kind of international alumni presence, LinkedIn's alumni tool lets you filter graduates by location and industry, giving you a warm starting point for outreach that feels far less like a cold message. People are generally more willing to help someone who shares an educational background with them. Joining LinkedIn groups centered on expats, global careers, or your specific industry in your target country puts you in regular contact with people who are either going through the same journey or have already completed it successfully. These communities often share job leads, sponsorship-friendly company names, and first-hand insight that you simply will not find on a job board. When you do connect with someone, think in terms of genuine value exchange rather than immediately asking for a job. Engage meaningfully with their posts, share relevant industry content, and when appropriate, ask if they would be open to a short informational conversation about their experience working and relocating internationally. These conversations, often called coffee chats even when conducted virtually, are frequently where referrals and inside information about openings actually originate. Positioning yourself as a low-risk hire. One thing that consistently improves outcomes for candidates seeking sponsorship is being upfront and strategic about visa status without leading with it. Establish your value first, your skills, your accomplishments, your relevant project work, and only then address the logistics of sponsorship directly and honestly. Employers respond far better to candidates who present themselves as a strong hire who happens to need sponsorship, rather than someone who opens the conversation focused primarily on the visa process itself. If you are a student or recent graduate, understanding your specific visa pathway options, such as STEM OPT extensions in the United States or graduate visa routes in the UK, gives you leverage in conversations with employers, since many companies are more comfortable starting a working relationship under a temporary authorization before committing to a longer sponsorship process. Building a visible portfolio of work, whether through GitHub repositories for technical roles, published articles, case studies, or other demonstrable proof of your skills, and referencing this material in your outreach and applications, consistently produces stronger response rates than a resume and cover letter alone. Recruiters and hiring managers respond to evidence, and evidence builds the kind of confidence that makes a sponsorship investment feel low risk. Staying consistent and following up. Finding a visa-sponsored role through networking and LinkedIn is rarely instant, and setting realistic expectations about the timeline matters. This process often takes several months of consistent effort, and the candidates who succeed are the ones who keep showing up, updating their profile regularly, reaching out to new connections consistently, applying to new postings as they appear, and following up professionally after every application and every conversation. A simple follow-up message after applying, expressing continued interest and briefly reinforcing your fit for the role, keeps you visible in a process where hiring managers are often juggling dozens of candidates. Tracking your outreach and applications in a simple spreadsheet also helps you stay organized and ensures no promising conversation slips through the cracks. Securing a visa-sponsored job abroad is absolutely achievable, but it requires a fundamentally different strategy than simply applying to postings and waiting. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to clearly signal your intent, search with the right keywords and tools, build genuine relationships rather than transactional ones, position yourself as a strong hire first and a sponsorship case second, and stay consistent through what is often a longer process than people expect. The candidates who combine all of these elements are the ones who consistently land the opportunities everyone else is scrolling past. If this video gave you a clearer strategy for your own job search, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button because it genuinely helps this channel reach more people navigating the exact same challenge. Drop a comment below and tell me which country you are targeting for your own sponsorship search. I read every comment, and I will see you in the next video.